WeatherTech WeatherTech mats, rubber mats from WeatherTech company itself. This big guy, this big one came in this box roll, the one for the trunk, and these three for the front two seats and the second row came in this box. So this came in the box. It's the product catalog, about WeatherTech. And here's how to install it. It tells here, remove all previously installed floor mats to ensure proper fit. So basically, if you see here, I removed the existing 4 mats from Tesla, and to save time, I opened all these doors and we can put it quick. So we start with the driver's seat. This is the one for the driver's seat, WeatherTech. It's rubber. And I forgot to tell you this. Tesla sells the exact same product, but it's written Tesla there, but it's made by WeatherTech. So after researching that, I went with the WeatherTech mat, and the front seats and the back seats, rubber mats, they cost me $189.90. The back cargo rubber mat cost me $119.95. Just to let you guys know the price. The price is similar to Tesla, but I didn't need in Tesla's website, if you buy the whole set, they give you the one for the front trunk too. I don't need the front trunk, so that's why I bought this from WeatherTech. And besides, even though I read so many good things about other mats, I wanted to buy something made in the US. So WeatherTech is made in the US, and I wanted to buy US product. Okay, I'm putting the driver's side mat now. So it goes in pretty much, just fits there. And there we go. The front is done. You want to take a close-up, Ray? My daughter's the cameraman. She's 9 years old, and she's helping me take these videos. All right, now we're putting the passenger side mat. It just fits and stuck. It's perfect. Come on, take a close-up. Look at that. It's perfect. It'll grab all the dirt because we have kids, and these deep liners. My son normally sits in the front, when he's with his mom. So this is perfect when he comes back from soccer or basketball. All the dirt will just be here. All right. So now this is the second row. I'm going to shove it in this way, and it's nice and snug. You want to take a close-up? I'm going to go to the other side. And here it is, nice and snug. This is perfect. The kids are not going to notice this grooves here. The dirt's going to get stuck there, and it'll be easy to clean. Last is the trunk. So just push it in, and there we go. The trunk, it's done. So this is going to get, it goes up a little bit because it was rolled, but it's going to get flat after some time. Okay, so to make this, go down, I just put these 2 camping chairs. Hopefully, when we get by this evening, it should be flat. So that's about it, guys. Let me show you the last piece here. Come on. Check. Close up. Okay. It's too dark. Put it in the front now. Alright, so that is about it. Mat is done. WeatherTech mats made in the US. You get the exact same WeatherTech mat in Tesla's website, but with Tesla's logo. I decided to just go with the manufacturer's one. I didn't need the front. Thank you.